Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming ownership and the exact version you will register. Once done, extract sensitive metadata and save a clean, final PDF. Make sure you have author names, creation date, and any transfer documents ready. These speed the form. Next, create an account on the copyright portal and log in so you can begin an online registration. Don't delay. Gathering accurate facts now prevents rework during the application steps. Once logged in, pick the standard registration for literary works and start the application. Fill fields for title, publication status, and exact dates. Accuracy matters because errors slow approval. Next, list all contributors and clarify ownership percentages. When prompted, upload your final PDF as the deposit, confirm it meets size and format rules, and add supplementary files if needed. After uploading, review every entry. You finish by paying the required fee and submitting your application. Immediately save the confirmation number and the receipt for your records. Once the office processes the claim, you'll get a certificate, make a copy, and keep a secure backup. Then add a clear copyright notice to the PDF and metadata so users see the claim. Finally, archive your deposit files and registration correspondence. Troubleshooting tip. If processing stalls, use the confirmation number with support to resolve missing deposit or payment issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.